Imagine a pile of tiny robots suddenly waking up and deciding to build themselves into something new. Sounds like sci-fi? Not anymore. Welcome to the future of self-assembling robots. Machines that don't just move, they literally become anything they need to be. And today, we're diving into the real science behind them.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurious, where curiosity meets science.
Let's start with MIT's M-Blocks, published in Nature in 2019. These little cubes move by spinning internal flywheels, letting them hop, slide, and snap together using magnets. No arms, no wheels, just pure physics and clever engineering. Now scale that up. Think hundreds or even thousands of modules forming bridges, ramps, or even temporary tools. This is the dream of modular robotics. Robots that aren't one machine, but a swarm of tiny machines acting as one. And speaking of swarms, Harvard's Kilobots, featured in Science, show that you don't need complex hardware to get complex behavior. Over 1,000 tiny robots can coordinate through simple local rules to form shapes. No leader, no central brain, just teamwork. Harvard also created origami-inspired robots that fold themselves into different shapes when heated. Published in Science Robotics, these prove that robots can morph using materials, not just motors. Meanwhile, at EPFL in Switzerland, researchers study how robot swarms mimic ants, cooperating to build structures, solve tasks, or navigate unfamiliar terrain. Their algorithms shape how future self-assembling systems will think. Even NASA's in on the game. Their Shapeshifter concept imagines robots that can split apart, fly independently, then recombine into a larger machine to explore alien worlds. Because when you're landing on Titan, you want the robot equivalent of a Swiss Army knife. At Carnegie Mellon, researchers work on programmable matter, microscopic robots called CADMs that could assemble into anything. Imagine your phone reshaping into a tablet, or a wrench, or a coffee mug. Just kidding. A hot coffee mug made of robots sounds dangerous. But the most mind-blowing applications? Medicine. Swarms of microbots could assemble into surgical tools inside the body, patch wounds, or clear blood clots. Controlled by external fields or internal logic, they'd work where human hands can't reach. In disaster zones, self-assembling robots could build temporary structures, map collapsed buildings, or combine into machines strong enough to remove debris safely. And far beyond Earth, they could assemble telescopes too big to launch in one piece, build lunar bases, or adapt to conditions we can't predict. Flexibility is their superpower. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Today's modules are still clumsy, power-hungry, and expensive. Coordination at large scales is also extremely difficult. And programmable matter? We're decades away. Still, every year the pieces improve. Lighter materials, smarter algorithms, better microactuators, and more efficient energy systems. The path is slow, but steady. So what would you build if you had a swarm of self-assembling robots? A house? A drone? A couch that finally supports your back correctly? Tell me in the comments. Your ideas might be the future.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.